Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and thank you so much for watching. So this is just going to be a quick video doing like a yellow makeup look. The yellow makeup was really on trend throughout the summer. I really wanted to film this video for like months now, and because I suck I never got to it. So I'm a little late because it's not really summer anymore. I should be filming fall videos, but I really just wanted to sneak this look in. I did it for a wedding the other week and it came out really amazing, so I just wanted to film this real quick. So it's going to be just a quick yellow makeup tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to see how to get these yellow eyes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, and the first color I'm going to start off with is the shade Citrine. It is the bright yellow shade in the palette, and I'm just using a Moda, let's see what this is called, a Moda BMX 430 crease brush to just dust this all into my crease to start off with. Then I'm switching to a Moda BMX 465 precision angle brush and really packing on that yellow shade just kind of all over my lid, and even more so into my crease, and then just kind of going back and forth between those two brushes and building up this yellow shade until it's where I want it to be. And then I'm dipping into the Carnelian shade. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but it's like the orange shade in the Sunrise palette, and I'm just focusing this shade on the outer corner. Just something to kind of add some depth and dimension to the look, so it's not really just all one color. And then I'm going in with the Stila Shade Mystere liquid eyeshadow in the shade Spiritual. It's like a yellow orange, and I'm just putting this all over my lid, kind of like 3/4 of the way. And then I'm also taking just a flat shader brush and kind of like blending that out right when I put it down. And then taking my Moda fluffy brushes again and just kind of blending all the yellow and orange shades together with that Stila shadow. So now back into that Natasha Denona palette, I'm taking the shade Jasper and packing that on my lower lash line, and then that orange shade again and just blending that out. And then I'll pick up the Citrine yellow shade and just add some yellow to the lower lash line. Now going into the Natasha Denona Tropic palette, and I'm picking up the shade Limoncello and just kind of packing this on top of that Stila liquid shadow, just to add a little bit more something something. And then, whoa, that just went real fast. So I took the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner, did a wing with that, was completely off camera. And then I took the Too Faced Sketch Marker liquid eyeliner and kind of cleaned that up a little bit and made it a bit darker. And then I took the Violet Voss Essentials palette, the black shade, and just used that shadow to blend out the liner. And now I'm putting on mascara. Oh my god, this is going so fast. The mascara is Manna Kadar Beauty. I have no idea, I got it in a BoxyCharm. And then on my waterline and tightline with the Urban Decay, just a black kohl pencil. And now I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 4 palette. I used the bronzer in the palette, and now I'm using the finishing powder and diffuse light to kind of just go under my eyes and just kind of, you know, make everything a little bit more blurred out and natural. I always do that. And now taking the Ofra Star Island highlighter, I'm highlighting my under my brow bone, and Ofra Bellini blush I'm using right now and blending that all out. And then I will set my face with the Milani setting spray. This is the one with charcoal in it. And then taking that Star Island highlighter again to highlight. And now I'm taking the Kylie lip liner in the shade Bare and lining my lips, and then I'll also apply her Velvet Liquid Lipstick, also in the shade Bare. And then for gloss, I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Moon Glow Gloss. And that completes this look. Thank you for watching. Bye.